Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So I am here at Chamundi Hills to capture my bucket shot, and I'll be going to the viewpoint, and I'll be trying to capture some of the time lapse. I'll capture the shot as well. So yeah, before wasting time, let's go. Viewpoint over here. But it's too windy. I cannot vlog or say something, but I'm recording the time lapse. And,
it was at this moment that he knew he fucked up. Guys, done with the shoot, and we are returning back, and as you can see, it's dark. So I'll show you the photo in 3, 2 and so yes guys, finally I captured the bucket shot and I'm in love with the photos. I'm sorry I didn't record the time lapse very well because of the windy, and I took my tripod with me, so that's a bit of a shaky time lapse, but still I managed to record something in spite of having nothing. So yeah, a big shout out to Mr. Sanjay who came over and took me to the viewpoint over there, so that I was able to make this video as well as capture my bucket shot. So yeah, that's it for today. Hope you liked the video. Subscribe if you are not already. See you in the next one. Until then, take care. Bye bye.